slamming into the wall. Darrell Wallace Jr. quick across the inside wall. The caution has not come out. The race is still on. Justin Allgaier on the high side. Eric Almirola on the bottom of the racetrack. Coming out of turn 4. And the
Are you
caution will
fucking
come out.
kidding me? Fuck you, NASCAR.
Now we'll have to go back to video to find out who was in the lead when the caution light came out.
What NASCAR does when to throw the caution, they evaluate it. They knew the wreck was on the back straightaway. They knew that if they went back to the start-finish line, they could get slowed down before they got there. But they must have seen something on the back straightaway. They felt like they had to roll safety personnel, and that's why they threw the caution when they did.
Well,